In this video, we'll take a look at how the Explorer can assist you when it comes to managing your SharePoint and Office 365 environments. To simplify your reporting and managing tasks, the Explorer's grid view displays all your site collections, OneDrive for businesses, and Office 365 groups for all your farms and tenants right away. This way, you can filter the type of objects you want to manage, whether it's site collections only, Office 365 groups, OneDrive for business, or a combination of multiple object types. It also allows you to manage multiple farms or tenants. You can add as many connections to farms or tenants you wish by clicking on Add Connection in the Connections menu. When multiple environments are connected, you'll be able to manage them all at once or select a single one in the Connection menu, which allows you to run actions over this particular one. The Explorer features a search bar for better navigation. Typing a keyword will show all site collections, OneDrive for businesses, and Office 365 groups that include the keyword in their title. You can also select just a few objects from the results, or even better, select multiple objects using multiple keywords. You can also search by URL by simply typing / in your search. When navigating in a site collection, ShareGate will display all its subsites, lists, libraries, and SharePoint groups. New filters will help you decide what you want to see or not. When you select an item, the Quick Action panel appears, allowing you to manage its content, run reports for it, and manage its permissions, or even edit its settings. And of course, all of this is also available when selecting multiple items of the same type, so you can manage them in bulk. As you can see, the Explorer is an easy-to-use interface that lets you filter, search, navigate, and modify your SharePoint or Office 365 environments.